You like my my DJ set. My drum set is to impress Toy Chica. Okay, you guys ready? This is one of mine. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Come on, guys, you know this thing long.
Q-R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y-Z.
I'm just kidding. Domo, stop it.
I want to try this. I want to try this.
No, this isn't the song, Domo. Stop it. It's not your turn.
No, I want to try. Stop. I want to try.
Fine.
Let me try. This is fun! What are the specs of this thing?
What?
What are the specs of this thing?
Check this for specs. I don't know what you're talking about. Check this.
Where are the specs? There are no specs in here.
The specs are in this.
What?
Yeah, just check that.
You're telling me that this isn't a computer?
Yeah, this is a drum set, not a...
Domo Rage Monster! Breaking the fourth wall, I really just hurt the cameraman. Ow.
Also breaking the fourth wall, do not face it of the person that's, just don't face it towards this man.
Please,
because he's taking off his mask, and yeah.
Okay.
No, don't. He's gonna be behind the cameraman.
Turn up the volume. Turn it up. Turn it up, boys. Turn it up. Hey, it's not working.
Sorry, Domo. I turned it off.
What?
I'll get it, Domo.
Here, I'll turn it back on.
Okay.
Turn it back on, please.
It should be working now. Look at our child go, Toy Chica.
What? You have a child?
You're my child.
What? Excuse me? Excuse me? Stop with the hit markers! Excuse me!
What?
I am not your child!
Actually, you're only 6 years old and I'm like 13.
Dude, you're not even old enough to have a child.
Yes, I am. It's late pregnancy.
What the? But you're a boy!
You get it? Yeah, it's late pregnancy. If you have a girlfriend and she's pregnant, then in like
Stupid!
That might be the dad.
Stupid.
So yeah.
I'm gonna go over here. Hey, you need to go to sleep.
That's what happened to my cousin.
Stop.
And I just broke the fourth wall. Yeah.
What?
That's true. That is true. That happened to my cousin.
Okay. You just need to go to sleep, okay, Doma or Bonnie?
Have some water.
Yeah. No, I had this thing where I sneeze, like I turn giant, like.
Oh, nice.
It's kind of weird, like. I'm just like sitting there. I'm outside because I do have some allergies, and so it's kind of bad.
I'm just gonna set this water bottle here for absolutely no reason.
Okay. Yeah. So like when I like, achoo! Big Domo. Why summon Big Domo?
I don't
Big
know.
Domo need water to go tiny again.
Okay, then just lay on this mat. Lay on this mat. Just lay on the mat.
I catch Flash. You're too slow. I thought you fast Flash. Oof.
Hey, no. Big Domo, lay on this mat. You're going to get some water.
No.
Open your mouth.
No, Big Domo gets If Big Domo gets water, he turns tiny. Big Domo want to run rampage. No, please.
Hey, by the way, Big Domo, you're not a midget as the small one. So, yeah, prepare for water.
Oh, no. Oh, what? No. I'm not going to swallow it. I'm not going to swallow it.
You must.
No. I'm not going to swallow it.
Swallow.
Okay, I have to. I'm going to choke if I don't. But Big Domo wants to be big.
Okay.
I don't want to swallow. getting rid of that guy.
We're gonna dry off the Domo that's in a dimension. Yeah.
Yeah. He's drying off. He's drying off in the alternate dimension. So.
Yeah, I just broke the fourth wall.
No, that's not breaking the. This isn't breaking the fourth wall. He's just in an alternate dimension. So, Bonnie, how'd you like my giant form? I mean, I don't like it because I can't control myself. Like, I don't like it because I literally cannot control.
I want to go back.
Do you want to get crushed by that thing? Actually, if you're near me and I sneeze, then
Wait. Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Okay, I got a great prank we can do with that. Okay, so we can have Golden Freddy prank because he's in California right now, and we'll have him be pranked, and he's in California, and we'll videotape for him, and we'll have Golden Freddy. We'll have Freddy go out on a date with You have to convince Funtime Foxy to go out on a date.
Oh yes, I'm already ready. Achoo! Oh, Big Domo's ready to prank. Hey, date Freddy now.
Okay. Hey, Freddy.
I think it's working.
I'm told to go on a date with you, so do you want to go on a date with me? Let's have babies. Yeah, this is.
I think the prank is working.
Don't Big Domo.
What?
Don't tell Golden Freddy.
Shh, it's just a prank.
I don't care.
Oh. No kissy, or I will kill. It just prank. Not go this far.
I don't care.
I think I need some water right now. I don't know. Hey, where Big Domo water? Where Big Domo water? Big Domo.
Come along, baby.
Oh, there Big Domo water. Okay, someone pour.
Come along.
Someone give Big Domo Wawa.
All right, baby. You want it all?
Not all of it, please. No. Go. I don't want to swallow. Me no want swallow.
Swallow before you die.
No, I'm not. I'm going to choke. I don't care.
You told me to give you Wawa.
I don't care. I don't care. Fine, I swallow. Okay, now that he's swallowed, I'm back tiny. I see that the prank worked. I love you, Freddy. I love you, Freddy. Too far. This prank has gone too far.
I will capture them.
Achoo! Someone call Big Domo! Someone call Big Domo!
Die. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so cold. Freddy? I'm sorry.
We're Tiny Green!
But I'm
There.
Freddy, I'm sorry. Freddy?
Domo has Tiny Green! Big Domo need more Wawa!
Cameraman?
Yeah.
Can you videotape this first?
Yeah.
Freddy, I'm sorry. But I actually want to date the other Freddy, so screw off.
No, come back!
Loser!
No, come back, please. Fine, whatever. Big Domo get Wawa. Big Domo, open Wawa? Big Domo cannot open Wawa all the way. Okay, there we are. Now, Domo will swallow.
Domo here.
But, Domo already swallowed.
Oh.
We're Tiny Domo.
Oh yeah, true.
We're Tiny Domo. I'm supposed to be small right here. Okay, I'm back, guys. Wait, wasn't this water leaking? Crap. We need to. Domo, hold the camera for a second. Okay.
Domo, yeah.
Okay.
Hold it.
Okay. So I'm never going to sneeze again in my life. I mean, I probably will because I have allergies, but I hope I never sneeze again. So, because I really don't want to turn into like a giant monster.
I know what you can do, Domo.
What?
This is a non-sneezing mask, so you'll never sneeze.
What? I thought I'm done with my superhero days.
No, you won't be a superhero. Get it on, Domo, Jesus.
This is a hint to a future episode that we might do. Domo's secret identity. Look out for that video. It's coming soon. It's coming soon, my boys.
Coming soon to Disney.
Yeah, coming soon to the theaters. Watch it now.
Coming to your theaters, Barney is coming to kill you and eat you. Because Barney
What?
is a cannibal!
Oh my god, my nose is tickling! You said this was a non-sneeze mask! Achoo! Big Domo is back!
Hey, Big
Domo is back!
Domo! Come eat this!
Hmm?
Eat it. Eat
Yum, yum.
Setting off bomb to destroy Big Domo in 5, 4. It's supposed. Don't worry, Domo, if you're in there. It's gonna blow up Big Domo, and you'll be like that forever. Not Big Domo, but Small Domo. No.
The end. Big Domo was eliminated, and Tiny Domo is happy because he is forever tiny.
Let's go! Yeah!
Yeah, boys! Yeah, boys! Yeah, boys! Hey, boys! Hey, boys! I'm tiny forever!
Everybody!
Woo!
Everybody!
Yeah, boys! I'm tiny forever! Woo! Yeah, boy! I'm tiny forever! What?
Come down here.
Okay, I'm coming down. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, Bonnie,
What?
watch.
What?
Hey, I'm coming down.
Holy crap! Okay, anyways, so we're here, guys. Welcome to the hood. Yes, as normal. Welcome. And we didn't get to show Weird Bonnie in this.
So,
yeah, he's going to end off the video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't already. And see you in the next one.
breaking the fourth wall, Domo is already dead, but cameraman literally dropped camera because Purple Bunny said come down, so cameraman dropped camera.
Yeah, so goodbye, and see ya in the next one.
Bye.